to your eyes.
What about them?
What about them? They're starting to glow.
You mean like right now?
Yes, right now. Scott, stop. Stop it. I can't control it. All right, just keep your head down. Look down. Come on. All right. Head down. No, get back. Get away from me.
Sky, it's okay.
I don't know what's gonna happen. Get back. Pain makes you human. Scott, this isn't just in our heads. This is real. It's starting to get bad for me, too. I'm not just having nightmares, I'm having these dreams where I have to literally scream myself awake. And sometimes I'm not even sure if I'm ever actually waking up.
What do you mean?
You know, you can tell if you're dreaming. You can't read in dreams. More and more the last few days, I've been having trouble reading. It's like I can't see the words. I can't put the letters in order.
Like even now?
I can't read a thing.